Congratulations! You graduated, survived the interviews, and now you've got your first real paycheck. And it feels like you just unlocked a whole new level of freedom, right? But then adulting hits. Suddenly, you start hearing words like asset protection, financial planning, and the big one, insurance. If you're 22 and healthy, insurance probably feels like something for your parents or someone way older. But here's the secret. Insurance is actually a financial cheat code. Start early and you can lock in massive protection for the price of just a couple of pizzas a month. And today, we're cutting through the jargon to show you how insurance can help you save, learn, and protect the future you're so excited about.
Let's make this simple. Insurance is a legal agreement between you and a company. You pay a small regular fee called a premium, and in return, the company promises to cover you if something unexpected happens, an accident, an illness, or damage to your stuff. The magic behind all this is called risk pooling. Thousands of people pay premiums into one shared fund. Because not everyone faces a crisis at the same time, the insurer can use that shared pool to help the few people who actually need it. And in India, the whole system is watched over by IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Think of it like a referee, making sure companies play fair and protect you, the policyholder.
So, why buy insurance now? Two words: cost and compounding. First, because you're young and healthy, you're seen as a lower risk by insurers. You can literally get 1 crore of life cover starting at just 595 rupees a month. But if you wait until your 30s or your 40s, that same cover could cost double or even triple. Second, some plans like ULIPs or pension plans also have an investment side. Starting at 22 gives your money more time to grow through compounding. So you're not just spending on insurance, you're building a future corpus while the cost is still at its lowest.
In India, insurance mostly falls into two main buckets: life insurance and general insurance. Life insurance is the long-term play. Its main job is simple: to give your family financial security if something happens to you. Term insurance is pure protection. It's usually the most affordable option and it gives your family a high payout if something happens to you. No frills, just safety. ULIPs or unit-linked insurance plans are for people who also want a saving or investing angle. Part of your premium goes toward life cover and the rest gets invested in the market. So it's basically a hybrid of insurance and wealth creation. General insurance covers almost everything else, usually for shorter periods, like 1 year at a time, which you renew. Health insurance matters because medical bills keep rising. It can cover hospital stays, surgeries, and even pre- and post-doctor visits. Motor insurance is not optional. If you own a car or a bike, it's actually mandatory by law. And if you're dreaming about that post-grad trip, travel insurance can cover lost baggage, flight delays, and even medical emergencies abroad.
Now, you don't need every policy right away, but here's your starter pack. First, individual health insurance. Even if your office gives you a policy, get your own too. That way, if you switch jobs or your company changes its benefits, you're not left stranded. And here's the important part. Health insurance often has a waiting period. So if you start now, you finish that waiting period while you're still healthy. Second, personal accident insurance. This one's a hidden gem. It protects you against injuries or disability from accidents, which really matters when you're active and commuting all the time. Third, term life insurance. If you have student loans or your parents depend on you financially, get this early. It makes sure your debts never become their burden.
Now here's the part your bank account is going to love. The Indian government actually rewards you for being responsible. Under Section 80C, the premium you pay for life insurance can be deducted from your taxable income, up to 1.5 lakh rupees every year. Then there's Section 80D. Your health insurance premium can get you another deduction of up to 25,000 rupees. And under Section 1010D, in many cases, the money your family receives or the majority amount you get is completely tax-free. So yes, you're saving on taxes today while securing your tomorrow. That's a double win.
And if you're on a tight budget, take a look at the government-backed schemes. The Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana or PMSBY gives you 2 lakh rupees of accident cover for just 20 rupees a year. Yes, really, just 20. There's also PMJJBY, which gives you 2 lakh rupees of life cover for a very low annual premium. And when you choose a company, Don't just look at the cheapest price. Look at the claim settlement ratio or CSR. That number tells you how many claims the company actually pays out. And you want it to be high, ideally above 95%, so your family doesn't have to fight for the money later.
Insurance isn't about expecting the worst. It's about being prepared so you can live your best life without all those what-ifs holding you back. You've worked hard to get where you are. Don't let one bad day wipe out everything you worked so hard to save. So here's your 3-step action plan. Step 1. Calculate your HLV, your human life value. Use an online calculator to figure out how much cover you actually need based on your future goals. Step 2. Compare plans. Use comparison sites to check the CSR and benefits of different insurers side by side. And step 3. Start small. Even a basic 20 rupee policy is better than nothing. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe. We are here to help you master adulting one paycheck at a time. See you in the next one. And one quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. Always read the policy documents carefully and consult a professional advisor before buying.